that girl Andy, and today I'm gonna try to recreate Hongseok's lip ring that made everyone go crazy when the concept images dropped. So I asked on a poll on my Instagram how many people wanted to see me try to recreate this item. 91 people answered yes and 4 said no.
Who are you? 4 people that said no. I'm gonna find you.
JK, I'm not. I have nothing against you. I understand. So you can see also I'm wearing a velvet. I don't know the name in English of this fabric right here. I will call it velvet because we call it wet velvet in Portuguese if I'm gonna translate it straight away. Like, so I went yesterday buy some supplies and some of them I already have there. So I'm gonna recreate this item. Then afterwards, after the DIY, I'm gonna do my makeup to look like as close as possible to Hongseok's makeup here. And then I'm gonna try to recreate one of his pictures, or just take a picture with like kind of the same outfit for Pentagon Selka Day, for Universal Selka Day. And you can see also my hair is like dyed hair red, with red strands, like everybody knows it already because it was like Yuto's. But what not everybody knows is that it's just on the top layer of my hair, so I can put it to the side and I'll have half brown hair, half red hair like Hongseok. So it's gonna work perfectly. So let's do it. Woo! So here you can see my table and my horrible nails. You can see I've done a lot of crafts in this table. So today what I'm gonna use, what you're gonna need if you're gonna try to do it, is a pair of earrings, simple earrings. You can see these ones are kind of old ones I had, so I already broke this part where you close it. It's not gonna focus, I think. So another thing you're gonna need is a chain, silver chain. Actually, I saw the teasers and I saw the actual chain is half golden and half silver. But what happened is that I didn't saw it before I went out to buy them. So now I have only silver items here. I'm gonna use this. And I also have a lot of things here, but what I'm gonna use from inside here are these little pieces right here. You normally buy them for making jewelry and stuff like that. I also gonna use these little rings here that you normally can buy on stores that you can buy stuff for making jewelry.
Yes, Big Daddy. I don't know what that means.
So let's start right now. I'm gonna take this ring right here and I'm gonna put on my ear. So I will take these. You can see it's kind of double the chain, so I'm gonna double it too, and I'm gonna measure from my ear to my lips. And you can see it makes kind of perfect line. So I gotta grab these and I will try to open one instead of cutting. Okay, seems like this one is a closed one. Some of them are not closed. They are like just like these tiny rings right here that have an opening to one side, so you can force it. And then I'm gonna cut it right here. So I'm gonna use the other one. Sometimes you don't need to have both of them. You just need to have a strong enough one. But okay, I opened the little piece. I cut a little piece here. Let's take the smaller one and let's take this. Take one of these rings right here, and I'm gonna put through one of the two endings of this chain. I put it through. You can see it's up here. Let me grab this thing so you can see it's through it. Now you close it, because since the earring is open, so you don't need to close in it. So you grab this and you put through it. You put it inside of it, so you can close it with the inside. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So the other side, so it's like open like this. So guys, I tried to record showing down on my table and it didn't focus well, so I'm gonna try again. You can also like buy this thingy. This one isn't like a full circle, so that's why I'm not using it, but it has like a little hole, so you can put through it here, and then you can put through that little hole this thingy. Should I make with this? Should I make it with this instead? So I'm gonna make with this other thing. This other thing, the way that I said it. See, now I have like a really long dangly earring. Very nice. Now I'm gonna grab this thing. Actually, I'm gonna grab another one of this little thingies that I also don't know the name of. I'm very great at DIYs, as you can see. I don't know the name of the stuff. Open it. It's like malleable. You can open with your own hands. So I'll find the last part of the chain in the bottom. Y'all can correct me with the names of the stuff, because yeah, girl isn't the best in English, but your girl is trying. So you're gonna put it through here, and you can close it. You can close it with your hands if you don't have too long of, if your nails aren't too long, because my nails. So I will pick the broken earring and put through it. It will fall. Yes, it will fall if you take off of you, but whatever. And then you put it on your lips and it will hold itself. Very nice. What do you think about this look, guys? Do you like it? It's done. It can fall, but it won't fall as long as you are in it. So make sure to wear it. Make sure to wear it. So now let's go to the makeup. So before going to the makeup, I found like a little place where the closing piece were attached to on the earring. So I'm trying to jam this metal part through it so it will be permanent, so it won't fall if I take it off. I will try, then I will tell you if it worked. And the stuff I did worked. You can see is inside of it. It doesn't look as pretty as his, because I made it myself in like 5 minutes, so it ain't gonna look better than this. Actually, it can look better if you are like better at this than I am. But anyways, let's go to the makeup. My lazy self thought I should do a full face of makeup before, but then again, I'm lazy, as I said, and I thought I won't do it. But now I gotta do it, since I got finally foundation that matches me. The last time, you know what happened. Not cool. Look, it's closed. So cute. I love it. Open it. I love opening packages and stuff. So I'm gonna use this to apply this to my face. I gotta find a mirror. Oh, here's an old ugly mirror.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta apply this first.
So let's go to the eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply this eyeliner here, which is black, but it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not, since I'm gonna just use it as a base for our dark shadow.
Oh yeah, it definitely didn't work at all.
So now let's use this eyeshadow. I checked his picture again. He had like a brown in the bottom. So I'm gonna apply eyeliner.
One later.
Damn, I'm looking so badass. I'm badass. So this is the result of everything. You can see my hair is like half red, half brown. We got the eyeshadow. We got this. We got this. We got this. This is in the Universe, the Black Hole version. Yes. Yes, Dr. Baby. Let's take the pictures now. I will put some pictures at the end of this video. Bye. See you next time.